Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto E40, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic text correction on this Motorola. First of all, you need to access device's settings and then scroll all the way down right away. Now tap on System, select Languages and Input on Screen Keyboard and Gboard. When you're ready, you need to choose text correction and scroll down just a bit. Then click on this switcher next to autocorrection, and as you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing this same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!